Aniball is an approved pelvic floor trainer. It was designed by medical experts to help you with a smooth and natural birth. Aniball greatly reduces the risk of tearing or episiotomy, shortens your labor, and helps to regenerate your pelvic floor muscles after delivery. In this video, you're going to learn how to use Aniball correctly. Verify the balloon's functionality before each use. It is recommended to inflate the balloon to a circumference of approximately 30 centimeters, corresponding to 20 pumps. Reserve 15 to 30 minutes to exercise at a time when you won't be disturbed. For easy and safe balloon insertion, it is vital to take a comfortable position that suits you best. Be calm and relaxed. We recommend moistening the surface of the balloon with a water-based lubricant. Do not use products and condoms that contain oils. Doing so may damage the silicone. Press the pump twice and inflate the balloon slightly. Grasp it by the plastic neck and gently push the larger rounded part into the vagina. If you can't insert it that way, you can also deflate the balloon completely and fold it. If the balloon does not cause pain, you can start inflating it. During this process, the volume of the balloon and the pressure inside the vagina will increase. This pressure is triggered by the inflation of the balloon against the vaginal wall, stretching the surrounding muscles. You will experience very similar pressure during your childbirth. Be careful during the first exercise. Add a maximum of 3 more pumps to the initial 2. The following days, you can gradually increase the number of pumps . However, it is not necessary to increase the size of the balloon if it causes unpleasant feelings. The goal is to be a healthy, calm, and ready mother who can control the pelvic floor to encourage an easier passage for your child with minimal injury to your own body. First exercise. Stay in the position you chose for exercise. You will learn to control the balloon's movements inside your vagina. If the pelvic floor muscles are actively withdrawn, the balloon sits deeper. If you consciously relax these muscles, the balloon moves closer to the vaginal entrance. With a deep inhale, your pelvic floor muscles relax. The balloon, or a baby at birth, then tends to come out of the body. Conversely, with an exhale, try to squeeze the balloon using the pelvic floor muscles. Feel it moving deeper inward. It is important that you gain control over these movements. Only relaxed pelvic muscles allow the balloon, as well as the baby, to move out. Repeat moving the balloon in and out 10 times, however, do not push it out from the vagina yet. Second exercise. Relax again and gradually expel the balloon out. Inhale and relax your pelvic floor muscles. Imagine the balloon coming out of the body. When exhaling, try to keep the balloon in the position it stopped in after the inhale. Do not move it back deeper into the vagina. With another inhale, release the pelvic floor muscles again and move the balloon a little lower. Now you have control over the expulsion. Gradually, the perineum gets slightly stretched and the balloon comes out of the vagina. The balloon should not slip too quickly to avoid getting hurt. Therefore, you should hold it by the plastic neck. The pressure you make when pushing the balloon out should only come from the pelvic floor area. Your body should be relaxed. Do not hold your breath and do not tension the muscles of your neck, shoulders, abdomen, and buttocks. Aniball can't cause dilation and can't stretch your vagina permanently. On the contrary, it improves tissue flexibility. Your childbirth can be a wonderful experience if you are well prepared. For more information, visit the website aniball.uk.